Hi, it's me again with Corel Dog Tips and Tricks. Part 3 of this. I made not a bad decision on that last video, and you can still do it that way, but it's a lot easier if you would, when you brought them. So the man and the dog are one piece, and we need to figure out how big this thing is to set our nudge factor. So we're still working something pretty little, so we're going to make our nudge factor 6. But we want the dog and the man to show up. So if we take all the items and select them and go to trim, what we have here is the man has been trimmed out. So you can take all this and fill it in with black, fill your man in with black, nudge him over, and now you've done all that. Before I had to trim out some lines, and so the trim tool is a big time saver right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.